Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing pesto pasta with stuffed peppers. Here's all the fixins. Let's add it.
And here's everything prepped. The peppers, of course, the aromatics, the Daikon radish, the ginger. Of course, we're going to use a couple of eggs and our breakfast sausage and beautiful grass-fed beef. All right.
Here's the stuffing. We got some beef. We got some sausage. And then a little daikon, a little this, a little that, a little aromatics. Fix it all up together. Cornmeal, of course, because you need a binder. And I like white cornmeal. Works very well. Okay, make a log. This is pretty good. Watch this. Cut it into 6 pieces, and then they fall right in. Look at that. That's how to do it. Lots of prep work. All right, and after that's done, add cheddar cheese and put them in the pan. Okay, volcano, eggs, water. Make a snowball. Well, ish. And then cut them up into pieces, oil them up, and then they're looking good. Roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold. And these came out very good, by the way. Anyways, cut off the ends, cut them up, and then hang them up to dry.
Garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, basil, and lemon, and of course, olive oil.
Okay, they're going to be going into the oven, 350 for 90 minutes. Yeah. Peppers are almost done. Pasta's on the stove, and here we go. Pine nuts, garlic, basil, olive oil, citron, and then zip them around a little. Okay, what do we need? Oh, we need more olive oil and citron, and get that to the consistency because you're looking for texture here. And there it is. Okay, now add your Parmesan cheese, and then into the bowl. Just a little flyby here to show you what pesto really looks like. Everything's done, pepper's coming out. Time to plate up. Pasta. It's hot pasta too. Anyways, add pesto, work it in. Probably gonna want a little more. Oh yeah. And then make a little divot and look for that centerpiece. Stick that right in. A little more lemon, a little more Parmesan, and a piece of basil. Simple is best. A very simple meal. Look at that beautiful pesto. And you don't want to overdo it, but you don't want to underdo it either. Anyways, looking good. Pesto pasta with a stuffed pepper and a beautiful suave bolla. And flowers, of course. All right, people. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.